Good morning and welcome to South Florida Sunday. I'm Tracy St. George along with Pat DeShong this morning and Laura Souza. Pat is with the Humane Society of Greater Jupiter Tequesta, and Laura is with Gianna, the most beautiful dog in all of Palm Beach County, possibly South Florida and the United States, possibly the world, from G-Girl Productions. And we got a really fun event coming up. It's the afternoon in Roma. So good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Good morning. Nice to be here.
For having us, Tracy.
Absolutely. So let's start with you, Laura, and Gianna. Why don't you tell us about G-Girl Productions and what does the G stand for?
Well, of course, the G stands for Gianna. Gianna is, I like to say, my silent partner. The best kind of partner you could ever
That's
have.
right.
You know, she never complains. She goes with the flow. And I am an event coordinator for South Florida, but I only do events for dogs, and as we call them, fur babies. God
Right.
forbid we would call them dogs. And I do indoor events, so I get a lot of wonderful venues like Grande, Bella Cucina, that's doing this event, to close for the day and allow the dogs and their fur moms to come in and have dinner and have an event and have a contest and always tie in a different rescue
Right.
to the event. So it's helping out the community and the local rescues.
Right. So before we talk to Pat, let's go back to when you first came in and I first met you. You were having the cotillion. How did the cotillion go?
The cotillion was phenomenal. We had 150 ladies. We presented over 75 dogs to society. We had 50 dogs that were in the ambassador. Those were dogs that were from out of state that flew in. We had women as far as Texas and California flying in. It was just a wonderful, wonderful event. The venue, Abacoa Golf and Country Club, was so accommodating. The food was wonderful. The ladies, VIP television, came out and filmed it for us. So it was, and of course, you know, Alpha Media, you guys promoted it, had the radio, you know, commercials for us. So we ended up having 150 ladies, and Florida Yorkie Rescue raised a really nice, you know, amount of money and got a lot of publicity on the radio and also on VIP.
Right. And with Afternoon in Roma, you are raising money for the Humane Society of Greater Jupiter Tequesta and the Furry Friends. But before we talk to you, Pat, I have to know, what is Gianna wearing? She is stunning today.
A Dawn Kessler, and this is from Pampered Pooch Couture. It is a leopard print, day dressed with, of course, bling. It has rhinestones. She has her black sunglasses on by Susan Howard, and then she is traveling in her Katie's carriage. Carriage that is got a machine gun on one side.
Because it's very mafia.
Yes,
it's very
it's
mob.
mafia. And it's got a dead fish wrapped in newspaper on the other side. Katie's Carriages does these incredible fabric carriages. I wish only people could see how phenomenal. But if you look on G-Girl Facebook page or the website of G-Girl, you would see a lot of the photos. She's spectacular. And same with Pampered Pooch Couture and Susan Howard. They do some phenomenal things for your fur babies.
So cute.
Tracy, can I just say, when I die,
Yes.
I want to come back as this dog.
I know, right?
I mean, I would love to be rolled around in this beautiful carriage with a pillow and dressed up in sunglasses.
Yes. Have you seen Gianna's closet?
No.
Okay,
I can
after
only
the
imagine.
interview, Laura will show you. Her room is ridiculous. I would like to live in her bedroom. I would like to have all of her clothes. This is one pampered pooch. So, Pat, you are the president of the Humane Society of Greater Jupiter Tequesta.
Yes.
How did they choose you to be a sponsor or a benefactor of Afternoon in Roma?
Well, we're very happy that they chose us, and I know that they do sponsorships of many rescues, and I think it was kind of our turn.
Well,
They
I
want-
have to be honest with you. One of the reasons that I wanted to do it for them is because my Gisela, my Shih Tzu, that is a homebody. She's not like Gia. She doesn't like to get dressed. I got from their rescue. So when I really wanted to do it for them. And I also don't want to forget to mention BCG Fur Baby Creations. That's the sponsor who has generously donated a check also. She's going to be selling her
Thank you.
Fur Baby fabulous jewelry at the event, and she also is sponsoring the event. She's the big boss sponsor.
Any of this jewelry, would that be able to be worn by people too? Because
Yeah,
I'm
she
sure
does
that
Mommy and Me. So she does a really cute where the Fur Baby has a Chanel, little sign of Chanel, and she makes one for the mother. So she does Hello Kitty, all different kind of, and also makes fabulous beaded leads for your dogs.
Ooh, fancy. Very nice. Well, the afternoon in Roma is coming up August 7th. It's going to be at Grande's Bella Cucina. Where exactly is that?
That's on Donald Ross Road, not far from Military Trail.
Okay.
It's right in the strip mall that's there. You can't miss it.
Why don't you tell us some of the things that the Humane Society of Greater Jupiter Tequesta does?
It's a no-kill facility up in Jupiter. We're the only animal rescue that's open to the public up in the North Palm Beach area. I mean, we're the ones that get the calls if there's a stray out there, and so we're always there. We're open 6 days a week. We also have a low-cost animal hospital. We keep the prices down of spay, neuter, and all the different services because we want to keep families and pets together.
Right.
We know how expensive it is to have a pet. We have a great thrift store on Indian Town Road called Pick of the Litter.
That's
all the
cute.
proceeds benefit our animal shelter, and we have a fabulous ranch up in Palm City, 27 acres, where we have approximately 65 cats, 20 dogs, 8 horses.
You got horses up for adoption?
We have four of
No
the dogs.
kidding.
Of the horses are up for adoption, and 4 we are boarding for someone.
Wow.
But we're doing a renovation up there. We have a lot of great plans. We're going to be doing a dog pet cremation cemetery in place where you can buy a brick and put a memento of your pet and come visit. It's a beautiful, beautiful, magnificent setting up in Palm City.
Will people be able to adopt any pets at Afternoon in Roma? Will you be bringing any or
I don't
photos
know
of
if they
any?
are going to be bringing.
Yeah, I don't think we
Planning on
planned on it because of the restaurant. I know you have.
Yeah.
You also have a fashion show going on, but we'll also bring pictures of what the dogs that we have available. And I will say, we have a lot of breeds almost as cute as Gianna. Maybe not quite as cute. Definitely not as well dressed. Available. It's amazing the kind of dogs that we're getting into shelters now. It's really just amazing. Their breeds. I got a call yesterday from a woman that needs to surrender her Labradoodle and her Basset Hound. Both have papers.
Oh.
Usually those are the kind of you see in pet stores.
Right, exactly. So, what kind of things will you be doing at the Afternoon in Roma?
Well,
what can we
it's
expect?
an all-you-can-eat buffet.
I'm in.
And then and the food is phenomenal there. And then the fur babies will be served organic chicken with string beans. And then we have a mafia cake for dessert. The price is $35. That includes your meal, the dog's meal, your beverage, the tip, the tax, everything in the $35. You can go on Eventbrite to get the tickets. And then we have the big contest.
I was going to say, you can
Yes.
come dressed up, but you don't have to if you don't
have
want to.
We love people to come with just their dog and see some of the crazy ladies that do.
Right.
We have, I think you remember Wendy, her and her husband are doing something off
Yes.
the charts for that.
What, didn't she make her wedding gown into that
No,
gown?
that was me.
Oh, okay.
She was the one that had Miss Cotillion of 2015.
I remember.
And we were going to have the contest for the dog father, the mob, Goodfellows, the mob wives, the Italian princess, the Italian gigolo. And there'll be trophies. And we have real fun favors, little dollar bags that have treats and candy cigars for the moms. So it's silly.
Yeah, it sounds like it's
after coming
fun.
off the cotillion. That's
Right, which
very
was so serious.
This is just a fun, silly day. If you just want to bring your dog, don't dress them up. Just come support the rescue and laugh because you will. Trust me.
How did you pick the mob/ mafia theme. Who thought of that one?
The first year I did it was last year, and it was
Oh,
coming
okay.
off of the cotillion. So this is the second annual, and I wanted to do something really silly because I spend 6 months with these bigger events, and the smaller events take about a month to get together. And I said, what could we do that the dog father? And I didn't want people to have things made. You can turn around if you have a tuxedo, put a tuxedo on your dog and sunglasses,
And there you go.
and you're set to go. I have the opera princess, so if you have a gown, you put the dog in the gown. So I didn't want the ladies to have to spend a lot of
Right. Very cool. It's the afternoon in Roma coming up August 7th at Grande's Bella Cucina, benefiting the Humane Society of Tequesta and Greater Jupiter. What can we expect? Are there going to be raffles, prizes?
Yes, definitely raffles, and I think it's going to be a 50-50 there as well.
What kind of prizes do you have?
For the winners, there are first, second, and third trophies. So, and in my sixth sense of humor, the trophies are a horse's head.
I love it. Did you get a Big Boss sponsor for this event? And you can
Yes,
tell
we
me
did.
about that business?
That is BCG, Fur Baby Creations, and that's Rebecca Kelly, and she is a sweetheart. She lives more near Orlando, so she'll be driving down with her unique necklaces and to sell them. And she's going to be one of the celebrity judges, and also
And Karen Counts from my office will also be there as a judge.
Wonderful. Any surprises we can expect?
I think the biggest surprise is going to be the way some of these moms who have bought tickets are telling me how they're coming. I won't say who it is, but I think that we may have the Pope stopping by.
Really?
Yes.
Whoa.
So it
this
is-
event is huge.
It's going to be very silly.
It's going to be so much fun. It's from 1 till 4, so it's a lunch event. Grande's Bella Cucina. It's 4580 Donald Ross Road. Just how much are the tickets, and where can they get them?
35 if you go on Eventbrite
Okay.
and type in G Girl Productions Afternoon in Roma, it will come up. I think it comes out to like 37 with
Okay.
the cost of Eventbrite. But it's well worth it because you can eat from 1 to 4 o'clock.
I
And the
love
food is delicious there. It's not far from where I live, so.
Excellent. So you're a proud customer?
Yeah, yes I am. Yeah. That's why I'm glad we're on radio today.
Gianna has fallen asleep.
Oh, she's
I
just
think
so fresh.
she's actually snoring.
I love it. Any other upcoming events for the Humane Society and G Girl?
Well, Maine Society, we're doing a big dog surfing called
That's right.
Hang 20.
Yes.
August 27th, 8:30 in the morning. They start surfing. We're still looking for a few sponsors, or you can sign up to be a dog surfer.
I think that'd be so much fun. And how can they do that? Where do they go?
They can actually go on our website, and also which is www.furryfriendsadoption.org. But we're also doing surf lessons, not this weekend, but the following weekend, by Marker 53 in Jupiter.
That's to get them prepped for the competition or just for
the
fun?
actual surfing lessons. I don't know who's smiling more, the dog or the owner when
I
they see the dog on the
know,
surfboard.
right?
It's really a phenomenal thing to say. It really is.
Somehow I don't think Gia could do that.
I was going to say, would
surprised.
Gianna do that?
She could do the
She,
outfit.
she must have a swimming suit.
Oh, she has
Yes.
7 swimsuits, bikinis.
What other events do you have coming up?
I have September the 17th at Abacoa Golf and Country Club. It is our pre-Halloween bash. It's to benefit Barclay Pines Rescue. And that is going to be a fun event because we will be doing a Halloween contest. And that actually has cash prizes. $100 for first place, $75 for second, and $50 for third. And the trophies. That's going to be a lunch buffet at Abacoa. And there'll be vendors, so you'll be able to trick or treat with your fur baby. We have the Girl Scouts helping us to do centerpieces, so it's going to be real kid friendly. The tickets will go on sale for that right after the Roma event. And then in January, we have our fabulous homecoming, faux fur homecoming at Abacoa. And that's the one, Tracy, I want you to come and be our celebrity judge.
I would love to, but I think every dog would win. I could not pick a favorite. I just don't think I could. I don't know if I could. good. Oh, they'd both be so cute. The event is coming up August 7th. It's the afternoon in Roma. Grandes Bella Cucina, 4580 Donald Ross Road. If you want any information, again, how do you get it?
Eventbrite, type in G Girl Productions,
Okay.
Afternoon in Roma, or you could go on G Girl Productions Facebook page or our website, www.ggirlproductions.com. It all has the links.
Okay. And Pat, if you are a person who would like to get a pet and give them a forever home, what is
please.
your website?
www.furryfriendsadoption.org, and our pets. Most of the pets are listed, but don't let that stop you because, for instance, we got 2 dogs in today. Probably won't get up there for a couple days.
Wow, okay.
So don't let that stop you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Pat DeShong and Laura Souza. It's going to be a great event, and we'll see you then. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you.